Hello and welcome back to another video. Just a quick video today of changing the battery on this car. Before we get into the video, can you please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. First of all, don't leave your key in the ignition, because on some cars when you reconnect the battery it does activate the central locking and your key may be locked in your car. And try and have your radio code, because the radio will lead the code when you reconnect the battery. So you'll have a bracket holding on the battery, so you need to remove that. That's the bracket there. This bit fits on the lip of the battery. You have your positive and your negative. Positive is red, negative is black. So this particular model, just a 10mm spinner. Just lift them away from the terminal. Up and away. So we'll just remove it, handle it out. Old versus new. Just replace the same one. Just we have a visitor here. Disturbing his house. Put the battery in. There'll be a lip on the battery, so just push it in under that. Prove. Get your bracket again. Just tighten up your bolt. Connect up your terminals. A straightforward enough job. Just remember to take your keys out of the ignition and have your radio code. So if you like these videos, please like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.